Just because you know how to edit your own videos doesn't mean that you should. If you're a content creator or run a business that heavily relies on videos, you might be spending too much time editing and not enough time creating. Today, I'm going to show you exactly why and how to outsource your video editing to a talented editor from the Philippines, saving you time, money, and effort. So first things first, why should you outsource? Editing your own videos can quickly lead to burnout. By outsourcing your editing, you free up valuable time to focus on creating more videos, ultimately increasing your output. Plus, having a dedicated video editor often means higher quality edits, which can translate into more views, better engagement, and faster growth for your channel or business. But why specifically outsource to the Philippines? Hiring editors from the Philippines can save you up to 80% compared to hiring locally. Editors in the Philippines generally have excellent English skills, making communication smooth and easy. Plus, they're known for being incredibly hardworking and reliable, meaning you'll get consistent, high-quality edits. Additionally, average rates for video editors in the Philippines range from just $3 to $11 per hour, depending on their skill level and years of experience. So, where can you find a video editor? You might be thinking about platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. They're popular, but here's the deal. If you're looking for a long-term, affordable, and reliable solution, I highly recommend RemoteWork.ph. Unlike other freelance platforms, RemoteWork.ph helps you find long-term editors from the Philippines, offering you better rates, consistency, and lower turnover. Signing up on RemoteWork.ph costs only $49 per month, but realistically, you should find your perfect editor within just a week or even less. Then, once you've hired your editor, you can simply cancel your subscription. There are two main ways to find editors on RemoteWork.ph. The first way is by posting a job and having applicants apply. You'll need to clearly outline what you're looking for. Mention the number of videos per week or month, your budget, and any software expertise you require, like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Pro tip, you should add a secret word like Eagle in your job description and instruct applicants to include this word in the subject line. This little trick helps you quickly filter out applicants who aren't attentive or who mass apply without reading instructions carefully. Then make sure you also request links to their previous work so you can quickly assess their editing skills. The second way is by searching through resumes on the platform. You can search video editor on RemoteWork.ph and directly reach out to potential candidates. Once you've narrowed down your top 3 to 5 applicants, you can set up video calls using Zoom or Google Meet. During these calls, assess not only their editing experience and salary expectations, but also their personality and their communication style. After you choose the best candidate, reach out to them directly to offer them the job. Don't forget to notify the other applicants that you spoke with, thank them for their time, and keep them in mind for future opportunities. Then once you've hired your editor, make sure that they're the right fit. After their first few projects, you'll want to evaluate the following. Turnaround time, are they meeting deadlines? Instruction following, do they follow your editing guidelines accurately? Quality improvement, are their edits actually enhancing your videos? It's important to clearly communicate your vision for each project, but also allow your editor some creative freedom. This balance helps elevate your videos beyond what you might initially imagine. I recommend using Google Drive to share your video files. Organize videos into clear folders, add detailed notes, and include specific instructions to avoid unnecessary revisions. This not only saves you time, but can significantly reduce costs, especially if you're paying by the hour. Now, how should you pay your editor? You've got two solid options. The first one is to pay per video. This is great if your videos have different levels of complexity, or you can pay a monthly salary. This is perfect if you need consistent editing done each week. Editors often give discounted rates if you commit to regular work. When it comes to payment methods, I recommend using Wise.com. It's fast, easy, reliable, and usually offers the best exchange rate, making your life a lot easier. You can also use PayPal, Western Union, or Payoneer. If you want a comprehensive guide on how to find, hire, and manage virtual assistants from the Philippines, you can download our free ebook. Just click the link in the description below or visit theoutsourcingaccelerator.com. So if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.